Mahosa, John Mahama is not the only kicking man here. When General Mosquito Ayehu, I want a Mahosa, or no say a kicking man. So, time no draw. It's a pity no one yafe. No one no yafe anka. They did not so messy upon also. Ega se bobwa. Sana oya light or to them from Manu. Panganu be kopa.
That's a when ya, that's a baby a trim. Rodden Secrano now support to say Asiedu Nketia have a better chance in future to lead the MPP. And when I call Asiedu Nketia Jinafa and Julius Debra Jinafa, Asiedu Nketia a pro, but Julius Debra dear, or the dear na ye jogging. Here we be when you so. Jogging quo Madina Bontene so papa ni Jessica. Oh, Jessica Ankasa.
And I'm sure so. I dare on I was so person of your Medina. If you are a no man, if you are price go here 5,000. We should go here 10,000. And the patron Munyanka, Mumfa Camera, Nias Yafanko, TTA question. Amadachi is a business. Mabe pray, remember Pufi, Medina. Yes, you bet me, I say, you can't bring your money. It's a buyer. Many men now for now, you're none to the Biametino. You can't sabble in your 500,000. I see money. Now, honorable Crawford, Mushimuna, Yendianum, and Kaka, almost a view, almost a Libyan, and some women in Diano. On first as can about
Na kofa ba ni say Asiedu Nketia e kwa ne rounds. And then I scatter was it thank you to
Intia na omuhunu se kai omo tumi no omo pa omo kọ bebia ntokuro bi omo wura mu na so tumi ni bawia na omo wura fia manfo nti o se we ne kwan a Johnson Asiedu Nketia e dey bridge the gap between the people and politicians. How you find that explanation, I am not sure.
When I scatter Julius Debra ne line no ne lay move for no bit second vintage and so giga pa and or to jabum.
Ready to support John Mahama. Now, our junior will say in 8 months, 9 months, presidential ambition. It's what the Praga and it is your problem. It is John Mahama who has a contract. NDC government, they have a contract with the Ghanaian people. It's for 4 years. It's been just 9 months. Nobody can rush. Nobody can be making noise. It's all about being focused. We are Ghanaians. We decide who will rule us, not you. We will decide at the end of the day who will take over from 2020 from John Mahama, or if even we Ghanaians want John Mahama to continue, we will make him continue. Into no individual. So far, right now, we have a 4-year contract with the NDC government led by John Mahama, and that is our focus. We don't care about the comedy. We don't care about people making side issues. We don't care about selfish people thinking they can take advantage of what is happening because of their selfish greed. Nobody cares about those comedy. What we care about is we gave John Mahama 4 years. John Mahama needs to deliver. John Mahama is working. The NDC is working. After the 4 years, we will decide. We will decide. We will decide. So not an individual, not some selfish greedy people think say yam build jack. Nobody's jack here. The jacks are us. We are the jacks. Nobody is jack. Only Jah is jack. Nobody is jack. And Jah will decide who leads Ghana. Until let us support this government. Let us come together and help. 8 months, 9 months into this administration. Yendi 1 year kura amam for ho pro akwahin o pro kwahin o pro na o pro no pro akwahin amam for ho pro mo okwahin ye ne e jack for no so ho pro okwahin o pre na eduane ye chewe ni amawa de na abaye o pro keke mbra once na tenase ni anchichiri kuro no enya de na mewura da de abaye obi ambre no once maintain. We have given NDC 4 years. John Mahama ne agini di se obetube di aban we nim. After 4 years no ye be decide. Sibia ye decide after 4 years ye pamo MPP no. We will decide after 4 years. Not you won't decide my ye ne decide. And Jack for no omne ye ne. 9 months pe. 9 months pe. Na munim de besi 2 years time. Munim de besi 1 year time. Mombra mo wase. Gidi ne doson. Ahopepre ne doson. You are lacking experience. You are lacking what we call teamwork and team player work. Team player their attitude. Work with the team and let the team win. Say team ni win ya. E bobo bi abaso. Ahon prepare the doson. Mo premo ho. Ahon prepare the doson. Ye ne ye jack no. Ye ne decide. Ye ne decide osi ahene for. Ye ne decide Ghana for. Ye ne ye osi ahene for. Ye ne decide. So obedi bia e beka wundi bia e beka. Ye betuma cheduano no. E bi be process ye ma wo. Enti mombra mo ho ase. Ene kukukuram de kwose kitchen a muyi nchanse etwitwi eye moko etwijene ye betuma nu aduane nyina ye mawa ye mawo ye ne esi ahen osi ahenfo ye ne ayi na behwanyu na mesere be he mo premo ho ora bo hu de besi amanfo pre o
obisha enya fa ba ko Asiedu Nketia campo so aye word pa on why your word message, you know, anyway.
General, it's not for anything. It's in response to the kind of work he's doing. And we, the youth, this is what we need to copy. Time will come, we'll go for airtime, and we say this. Oko time, na ya wini, bana, na ya wini, sampa, na ya wini, drobo, na ya wini, Doma West, na ya wini. But see me call Central Region there were only 4 seats. General Mosquito spent 10 days in Central Region. Buahafu, there were only 9 seats. General Mosquito spent.
Now, hey, Onosunya Botre, Asiedu Nketia, Eko PM, Ewa another thank you to mu, and or to Dalet Bullet, Dalet, and the Koma, Kevin Taylor.
President Mahama, Waba from our regional capitals, Adidas. Enti by brother we don't say na president ya dance we who be there. Na say campaign no president fa na fa. Ana me so me fa ma fa. Enti ba bia me ko ya campaign. Me ka tell o mo say me saka me ba be da o mo ase. Enti say president ya dance we regional capital. Na me so asamanka se na ma be se me boa. Sasa mankasi na ese musumu kodasi. Everything I mention, Mama, Seba Bia, Yacha Bobia, say you win ya. Yababa Bada Sibiano, Yabacomo, Yako down once. Everything, every abba. There got to be a new song. And Asiano, Yenim say, Gather for the praise, Yanni Abedi Party anymore, and couldn't be abba. And so, Remupa, Ndc headquarters, or your trouble no be home. But you have trouble and the branches, you know. It is a branch of fire, you know. Now, what the whole Amoma Maya. Now I said, let's see a cop branch of honor. One more year, Jumanoa. Yeah, you give home patrol. Now, so, the Congo down once. I don't see. You bring it up and say, a baba and another mobile by a good summer, a two, a foot park at the Maya, and a party branches in now. Ubia, Juma, a man, a branch, a couldn't be by ya, you can see a near, a man, you win in city. Yaba, a winning answer. Now, your pipe on the say, a Juma, they are all fruit your pa, and your piano. Enoti ya presidi hosa afia branch executive for amamba yatimi winning city no me pipe on say dodo no a true say ye to aba party no ebe hunu de moye na wama matanta
abuzo mo de ekono no confusion na ebasa na media for so say no Asiedu Nketia de wuye yenso ani eba ne say
Asiedu Nketia Fuels 2028 bid
what for yen
Asiedu Nketia one di no tia
general mosquito
na ntutum oka na so worry
ntutum ka
so abanya ben
ubenya malaria
Ndc
one to malaria so abeto na
na no mo anse do
into aka obi ana
what the deal say oso oba 2028
oba
2028 oba so be lead the NDC
brother asem na
obi oba be lead the NDC no nam na ka cry beto win
any oba dey
na o he be dim ka
where does your friend is saying
Safo ya dey boy ni cha one say I don't know Asiedu Nketia wow shop krate ni mo Asiedu Nketia Fuels 2028 bid na Asiedu Nketia e ba beba contest na ye nyina ye nim say Asiedu Nketia ni guy name
general mosquito suka abenya malaria one treat so abe enti no oba no de
so je no sagrasa uni so say yo ye o say no sai Asiedu Nketia
ana prof bi nyina ye o bi nyina ye
na abrantia ba ko so a on the only one really be friend abrantia sa papa mobo
papa abrantia
Giulius Debra on the other hand no dem who say na ho juye pa or very calm but or very strong and energetic or very strong and energetic now you new crusading guide you go paper nim
and na ye daswa wo NDC amanyoko no ye Ra Johnson Asiedu Nketia and thank you to our gusu a wokro wo epoye mante mo na no mo no ana kanem rahebedwamni ano wo kumbugu abato mpesua so Ras Mubarak wakasa na wade a kire mo se de ekoso wo NDC mo sesi a no wodwene ho te ase pa anye yi ne sai na chairman Johnson Asiedu Nketia wotimi ye thank you to na wo ni Facebook page no na watch them say to say anasa wo be kwa probo no wakwa akoda asese ne nka bi hu ye enka ye presidential anasa o mampani ene ne dom anasa emrahebedwamfo empadimfo ne be ko ho abom na party executive saka ho na wo matimi akọ efrise nkodemde ayo wo de na emomanya party chairman sese ye Ras Mubarak wa mananso hwam wo se wanwene ho da na wo chese wo hu wo NDC wo mabekose mu babia da se national chairman NDC mo wo madi nkunim awie na waye na adwene se me de mekwa na ase. Thank you to na si yifiri wo se wo wani suade hunu se wo no wo baba betu sa ede ama NDC amanyoko na party mpanimfo atimi atintim so kyese wo hunu se kyese ase ehu hia mpo na empo party ni nkabom a wo mo pe na wo mo pe so wo mo tena ba mu che no na wanhwe a wo de gura to press wo no pani wasansu kire mu se time no kura wo de kwoto no kura no enya time papa ye nyina ye nim de wo kire on na kire de kasa o wo se ye nyina ye nim se Ewura Johnson Asiedu Nketia ne dachi mu no bebia wo pese wo kokoduru ewo amanyose mu no ewom enu nti enisi ye mu obia kokogina kosuma ewo thank you to mu waseme kwa akwade dase na ni nyina mu nso kwa wo de bontoa da bi wo se enisi wo mu soso ewo kwa bia so ebasam na party no tanshi ewom na se premprenya ewom sesi ya no ebekomu ache yiye pa se chairman pa betimi afasa na mowe no de atete NDC amanyuko no mo dwene ho te ase ya enye yim yehwema Ewura Johnson Asiedu Nketia wakoto ye September boso ndi etoso edunso kopem ne da etoso edu enkonom na Eastern Region wasi 16 constituencies and wodi nani akyeremu na bra Ewura Johnson Asiedu Nketia wonya kwanya no ewo akuapem North abato mpesua so na wo kyeremu se sabe papa so pa ngoma so nyene num dentia na emom wo ma kyekyemu campaign team no wo ma kyemu miensa ne dinkan Ewura Mahama ya yo mampani ene di animu Professor Jen Opoku na ajeman eka ho bi ena afen so no de etoso miensa ye national chairman enti enye ne bo apaye so ena wode edase
national for Ebena Sose, the Ayehu team, the President Mahama, the Constitution, Professor Nandani, who also the battle. National Chairman, also the battle. Now, let's say, you would say, election, you will the presidential election, any parliamentary election, and President Mahama, and Professor, all focus on presidential election. No party campaign to you focus on parliamentary elections. If you say, you will say, now, MP before now, Dr. Bawumia, I don't think all the officers resources. It will be a parliamentary candidates, you say, Secretary Mahama will be proud for parliament, no majority. Our woman by Emily. And they said, they refer parliamentary election.
Ewura Johnson Asiedu Nketia ene attending Kano chairman de ma NDC amanyoko no na ye kwa homa no so na ye ne political analyst ye Prof Smart Sapon atwetwe nkomo ewo saa enseme hu Prof me pacha oti enka ye mo ajoba Angel TV Angel FM so
Mejo so nya mcho kapa
na pacha apombo ko de
Ajana dom ye ho ye me di se mo so mo ho ye
ho ya de nyankopo ase ya da senso se ya to nsafra woni ye kasa na anwumre de enti aye bo opunu mu nyina Ewura Johnson Asiedu Nketia thank you to wodi nani akyeremo ewo Eastern Regional wo kono se sia so na uhwe de Ewura Ras Mubarak ebekan ye ewo Facebook wo no so na kyese de wo kyere ne se NDC wo mu history mu no time bia ni ho a chairman lady thank you to da is he that the president adase bia empanimfu wo NDC amanyokomo na ayese anya bia ye bisase ebetimi abase de Ewura Johnson Asiedu Nketia etu ho anamoy ebeba saa ye so ma bia chairman aka wo mo beba wo party ni mu no emsu betimi etu saa anamoy ne bi ana
good Many of our method was to do na mama Yabusa for Jim Rete, one more in Answajo. Ocean the fa you. A faba could be to me, I said, Sabu. Asama NC da chese asama NC da en chese intimacy.
Hello, Prof. Hello. Abusiam say and humano network no yenya we kakra yegu so ehwese yensa besan so aka ne biemu na waboa ye office na wo ba be chirichiri mu. Prof, me pa sha wote yenka. Hello. Hello, Prof. Say ye besan so afre ne biem na waboa ye aboyemu ewo ho free say ebinum adwene a wo mususu sesia ene say ebetimi abasa Yewura Johnson Asiedu Nketia say de all kase wonya president ya wo bedie wo NDC amanyuko ni dimu no ene wa started de bontoa ana na say de prof nso ka ne say ne history e break ne da eti betimi abasa yakwampa ena otu sebe obegada grassroots no na womo aboa ni nyina mu no yensaka na abusia yesa kwa homa no so na ye ne prof atwetwen komo na waboa ye wo prof me pacho yesa nso mo akwa ababiu
Mo fanche me mse network ni ha dwen kakra
pacho yi
na me ka se ne fanso mi no e bitimi so ahwe ye se bia amanfo e ka se o reactor to di nuanom e pese esi omampani John Dramani Mahama nem no odi o manim kan anya ye kra no ye chairman into betimi akọ conference bia so enam ne Debra o se chairman ninti onmo maka ne person mu ko bia so mo pe kwa afoforo bi fa so de ko because onye chairman enti sa family no enkofo e kafa na na mo ntu a wotu ne nyina no e no kre na ne aye di nim ne se nka ne nanim e wo krata ne so e na okọ akansie no ya ka nyina bo ne chidom enti ono na odi kan a ne yedi nati okodasi na ya ka ebo na chidom nyina ko di nati enti ka ye hwe ne yemu anka so mampani John Dramani Mahama de no a wahese no ene se chairman otwen na so mampani san ya to aso wedi ka ko regions ne bi so to aso a ene waka ne ho na mu nyina makọ ono hye ne de different se ne o ye yi a obema sa adwendwene mienu ya ekoso nyina ba e bi o twasa foforo to ko a tamanfo aka o kina bi betimi ahwe di so enye sa de a ebia ne timo po pese obedi omampani John Dramani Mahama de sakwanya ne ba no na ebia odi afefo no enmu kan
na se ekoba ne se se sa na ofa no a yebeka se eyamfomso a na se mpo wakogina platform so ase won kase bia me pese nti no mo hwe so na bia da che me ba mo de ato ama me
ya insiemu na ya mpanimfo ne kono ya na ewo mu mpre no so ho ye woni ye wodam ne ye woni ye ma sabi o chantrofo so etibi enti se nipa ne kodu constituency ho a obeye ni amanfo betibi no aye na owie a waye kokwa mu die no eno de amanyo semu no obia oti amanyo se masibia no beti asese mampani du kuro bi so anase pani bi du kuro bi so kosa constituency a ye woni obebodwa aka ma obia tibi ene ni obekodem akokaka ma obi ntibi nyina so ye ni musem se omontontwene ye sa akwanya ne ba obepribi se opeso odi mampani John Dramani Mahama de obia obisa ne bia Muhammad Aram obisa ne bia no on said and ruling it out or say or no dear politics mu dear you never say never ni nyina beton na so nko ade obefa enti onya ruling it out ne dear kokwamu nkomo no na bia mamanfo no suspect say oye ni so de ni wi a sa kokwamu nkomo a politicians ni nyina do constituency o mu ye no eho na bia o de be start say o tonani so de ho na say o keka bo se bia totu nkrofo bitim e de di na fefo aka no animu kan enti thank you to ankasa de se chairman person ye de se foforo aba ne se ono se chairman obeya akese o national council ni nyina hira so man se ye mpani fo ye NDC mu a ye frɛ national council ne yakohia ne ye de se tumi number ye chairman se ye hira no onko dase wo yen ye din mu na se wa akọ dase se chairman na o national organizer nka ho national secretary nka ho o vice chairman nka ho women organizer nti nye party no the party no mpanimfo akese pan na nka chairman edi o mani ni o mu nyina ekwa anka common is different but ni nyina me be hwese ne ba kosi
we dia me patcho me nwura mo kakra wutie ne nsema wo kan ye wakuapem no fa bato mpeso ya so na was say national executives and creative 3 campaign teams. Bako Yaman Penny John Dramani Mahama and a bedi animum. Ana deɛ toso Professor Jane Nana Opoku Agyeman ne bedi animu deɛ toso miensa ɛyɛ national chairman enti ne sɛ ne kyerɛ party no emu mpanimfo nyina na agye atum sɛ wɔno nso betimi akɔ akɔhia mpanimfo.
Nice one. This is under tier dia and na mpanimfo na hyira so ama no na just say be hwɛ ne dia yɛ de share ne nsa say bia Eastern region na regions a de share nsa say ho no no mfa ne de ne mfa no ɛho nko na ɔde fa de hu say ye ma meji na no Opoku Agyeman so nam baabi ebi o mampani so nam baabi but ya na mampani fo ne hyehyɛ thank you to no a sɛ ne nim so mu shadow do so ne nti no ye fa baabi a no agya ɛwɔ mu a no asa beto aso fa baabi nti so mampani an kɔ some other regions if say Eastern region na ɛhɔ no ɔnkɔ hɔ nti ɔde sɛ chairman sade a ɛne na sa nkyɛ mu ne to aso no na mimi Rasmu Barak nso a wodi sa nkomo ye nim no ɛbso no so ɔhyɛ da anya abɔfra wɔ party nim sa ɛsɛ wo that's a tisa and then can the conscience no should be arrested. But akoya can see the miniaba, akoya can see the every step bia will be able to take biano. Competitive reasoning will be assigned to it. But say be obi fasa kwan we so ye you be so na entesa. Enti ye mesha kusisenia ye be free mu abana baba. Eno kwa de ma men kan fan se obi bia so person ko Ndc can see ni bi se bi odi kan wo court ana nche se wadi bim. Competition the obi be kind but interest or no na wedi anim advantage ni wo ho ma no say national chairman e bia na won so ye the bref fro bia won say that main party executives ne sa by breast na mpanimfo bie sa akwanya ne tumu a andamo abetu bia no so tu ni ni party for kasa ya ni pa adwene timi se sa ton wani so abe no se to moso mu a o betimi so ato amount. I really don't have a problem with people who take an early step in politics. You be betting at the animal kind so or be betting about the name money in every more than ever for be drinkly.
It's in the natural cemetery, Sato way said ye, one more actress and penny for Nadia to Mamma and say one corner, and from Papa Mubia ma a wasio.
Oh, at Roma, and yes, I didn't Papa Mubia by Ndc. Yamianim, and yes, I didn't Papa Muba. Or no more part in the bedding, Queen Yamon, by a Juma so muyeno. Obu na eso mu hwe so pa yi no mu ye party ne begija anase begjan na so a enso da nyina ne chairman be ye so chairman de ne benya so so wo party man so no mu so kra kakra bi na be ye fisem enti no no usiesie a enche ne yesiesie awie na the performance of the NDC party to be judged by one more mampedi mahama mo moduma so munya ebinum yi omudie ne ye kan pa na ebinum so de no akakakra yeso mu nkra se omuso mumra no munye dwa ne memem na Ghana fo nya so mfa so ho na ese dodo na adi omani hwe Ndc fo dodo no adi omani hwe na nye ne chairman yi menye so so ko yi wakoka asembo ne bia nso menye so so akoto obi ho bi akoka bi de bema fa bi so gbefu bi ana bibi chairman na ye hu ne sound very experienced enti so we start to cry obi wi ano professionally sabi confirm papa mu bi ama Ndc me ho de me hu sabi this abeba
ya bada Asiedu wesi ha mrepam no bibichiri ya adwene besa ba ho bi
good nyamen kamo
on kaun so hu abusi opani ati ne nkai a political analyst a prof smart sapon
enti we mu ene ekobisa lawyer Martin Pepu said there no wo e ka fa ho
where from this? And what could be the real motive behind this?
I think it is not in doubt that Asiedu Nketia will be running for, will be contesting the NDC primaries to be president of Ghana, right? So he wants to become flag bearer of the NDC. So for me, straight away, I think that is the bigger reason. Of course, it's also good for him to say thank you. You know, in our culture, we put a lot of premium on gratitude. That
has been done. The president has done that.
But when they went around campaigning, it wasn't the president alone who went. So since Asiedu Nketia also did, so... Then
the general secretary should also go on a thank you tour. Youth organizer should follow. They all campaigned. Yeah. Vice President should go on a thank you tour.
I see what you mean. Yeah, I see what you mean. But so that's why I said that in terms of proportionality, I think the presidential ambitions loom largest amongst the various reasons. Yes.
Will this help?
Oh, absolutely.
If that's what he wants.
Absolutely, because it's like he's hitting the ground running. So you have to go and, smoothen the grounds, register your presence first before the others come. So the early bird catches the worm. So I think that's what he's doing. Yes.
Now when you know, and you could that's sorry, yeah. Dan Kwa Musa also say, hey, Haruna Drusu, NLED, the presidential aspirant in Ndc Assembly.
Who's number one on the list, and where's Johnson Asiedu Nketia as opposed to the chief of staff? Where do we place all of them now?
The most recent poll, which is the July poll, has Haruna Julius on top, followed by Asiedu Nketia, then Atufosin, then Giulius Debra, then Ablakwa.
Oh, so there's a Atufosin in the mix. Do you have a clear percentage point for all of these individuals? If you can run us through.
Yes, if you look at the poll, Haruna Julius on 27% as at the July poll.
Yeah.
Asiedu Nketia on 26%. Atufosin on 22%. Debra on 11%. Ablakwa on 8%.
So now the top five has completely changed. Any reason for which the vice president is no longer featuring on this list now? Because the initial one
we took the decision to take it out for a number of reasons. We don't want to put that in public, but it's our own decision. If there's confirmation that she's going to contest, we'll bring her back.
And of course, I would want to talk about Atufosin. Why Atufosin, and why is he also picking up so fast?
Right, it's quite strange. In fact, if you look at the people who are probably doing very well, they're the ones who have not declared any publicly interest or shown any action in public that they want to contest. So if you see Haruna Julius, very, very little from him as far as his ambition is concerned, but people know that he's going to contest because of some of the things he's said in the past. But unfortunately, the surprising one, there's no indication whatsoever that he's going to contest. And also Ablakwa. But they are getting very good numbers so far. And if they haven't declared any intention, they are doing this work. We don't know what will happen if they do declare.
Yeah. Okay. Are you beginning to do?
Abusia, the same thing you Chile, watching our comment session boss. Unsubscribe, unsubscribe. Now, Odo Abeka Abusia, cool, Cassiano, Macrao.